Dream of running a kitchen and creating culinary masterpieces? Let's whisk through how you can become a sous chef in Australia. A sous chef is the second in command in a kitchen, assisting the head chef by managing daily kitchen activities, supervising staff, and ensuring food quality. Start your culinary journey with formal training. Enroll in a culinary arts program at institutions like TAFE or a culinary school to learn the foundational skills. Formal qualifications, including Certificate 3 or IV in commercial cookery, diploma in hospitality management, or an associate degree of culinary management, are just some of the courses you can take. Experience is crucial. It's beneficial to combine formal education with on-the-job experience. Start with entry-level positions like a line cook or kitchen assistant to learn the ropes and gradually work your way up. Hone your culinary skills and specialize in areas that interest you, whether it's pastry, seafood, or international cuisines. Attend workshops and culinary courses to refine your expertise. Develop strong leadership and management skills. A sous chef not only cooks but also manages the kitchen staff, handles scheduling, and orders supplies. Ready to take charge of the kitchen and showcase your culinary creativity? Start your journey today to contacting AUG about your plans to become a sous chef and spice up your career in the culinary world.